This is a solar flare, and if it hits Earth, everything shuts down. They're triggered when twisted magnetic fields suddenly snap and unleash colossal energy. Solar flares hurl storms of charged particles and radiation across space. These eruptions race across the solar system and sometimes straight toward Earth. That blast can fry satellites, overload power grids, and scramble radio signals. In 1859, Earth was hit by the Carrington event, the most powerful geomagnetic storm ever recorded. It was triggered by a massive coronal mass ejection from the Sun. The storm drove powerful electrical currents through the atmosphere and even through the ground. Those currents wreaked havoc on telegraph systems all over the world. Some lines sparked so violently they set telegraph offices on fire. The Carrington event proved how easily solar activity can disrupt our technology. A major solar storm today could cripple modern infrastructure worldwide. Critical systems from power grids to satellites to the internet are highly vulnerable. They're especially vulnerable to geomagnetic currents and radiation from solar storms. A major solar storm could trigger massive blackouts across essential services. The result? Widespread system failures that bring everyday life to a standstill. If power stayed out for 72 hours or more, modern cities would struggle just to function. Without stable power, essential urban services would shut down in hours. Water pumping stations vital for health and sanitation would simply stop. Fuel networks would break down, stalling transport and crippling emergency response. Supply chains for food, medicine, and basic necessities would quickly collapse. Scenes like this reveal how completely modern cities depend on constant, stable power. Subscribe to Curiosity Canvas for more hidden risks and mind-bending space science.